Good day, sir. Today I'm going to present my midterm project in Enterprise Architecture IS317. Security Agency. Security Agency has three systems. First is guard deployment system. Second is incident reporting and escalation system. And third is equipment insurance tracker. I'm going to skip this, sir, because this is only my introduction from learning task 1. Okay, we will start at part 2. First, we will have the guard deployment system. This BPMN diagram illustrates the entire process of assigning securities guards to their respective posts. We will have their processes. First, we will have the deployment request. Second, scheduling. Third, equipment preparation. Fourth, deployment confirmation. And lastly, the report generation. The purpose of this is to ensure guards are properly deployed, equipment is prepared, and operation run efficiently with accurate data tracking. Next, we will have incident reporting and escalation system. This BPMN shows how the agency records, validates, and escalates incidents that happen during duty. First, we will have incident occurs. Second, incident reporting. Third, validation. Fourth, severity assessment. And fifth, escalation process. And lastly, the closure and documentation. The purpose of this is to ensure all incidents are accurately reported, properly escalated, and tracked for accountability and safety. And lastly, we will have the equipment insurance tracker. This BPMN demonstrate how the system track issues equipment, monitor usage, and process insurance claims. And first we will have the equipment insurance, second monitoring usage, third incident linkage, fourth insurance claim processing, and lastly record updating. The purpose of this is to manage equipment efficiently, ensure accountability, and automate insurance-related processes within the agency. My summary for this three system is how the three system, guard deployment, incident reporting, and equipment insurance tracking work together to streamline operations in a security agency. Each system focuses on efficiency, accountability, and coordination, ensuring that guards are properly assigned, incidents are well documented, and all equipment is managed responsibly. Next, we will move to the part 3, Enterprise Information Architecture Principles. The principles of these three is first, we will have the guard deployment system. The purpose of this is to maintain accurate deployment and attendance information and ensure smooth daily operation. Next is incident report and escalation system. To promote accountability, traceability, and compliance with the company procedures and legal requirements. Next is equipment insurance system. To protect company assets, automate insurance claims, and minimize financial risk. And lastly, we will move to the Unified Relational Database Schema. The Unified Relation Database Schema combines all three systems, guard deployment, incident reporting, and equipment tracking into one centralized database. Integration of system. Instead of each system working separately, their data is combined into one shared structure. This means guard schedules, incidents, and equipment data are all connected. The purpose of this is to provide a unified and consistent flow of information across all systems, ensuring accurate documentation, faster decision, and complete visibility of operation within the security agency. That's all, sir. Thank you.